Kuda kwashe Tagwirei denies presidential ambition in Mnangagwa style. Sarapida mashoko yachisuspectwa nevanhu panguva ino achiti aiwa kuramba kuita Tagwirei achiti andina ma-presidential ambitions. Aiwa oita the Mnangagwa style yekuti anoramba panguva ino, but after some time unomuona agoenda against mashoko akataura. Sarapida mashoko abudanyikwa panguva ino. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Abudanyikwa muchenzi. Controversial businessman Kuda kwashe Tagwirei is disputes growing speculation linking him to a bid to succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa, labeling the talk foolish and affirming his loyalty to the ZANU-PF leader, whom he insists would remain in power until 2030. Addressing a gathering in Bulawayo yesterday, Tagwirei, who is widely seen as one of the most influential figures behind the scenes in Zimbabwean politics, denied an interest in high office and instead launched a blistering attack on opposition politicians and internal party critics. He accused of fueling the succession narrative. There is no vacancy in the office of the president. President E.T. Mnangagwa is the president until 2030, Tagwirei declared. I am a businessman. Stop being foolish. Why should I be looking for something that does not exist? The businessman's remarks signal an increasingly combative posture as his public profile continues to grow. Critics say his growing political influence, particularly through economic dominance and close ties to the president, has made him a central player in Zimbabwe's succession dynamics, something he appears keen to deny. However, Tagwirei's forceful rejection of the president's rumors and his call for loyalty to Mnangagwa are likely to be seen by some as a calculated move to both diffuse speculation and solidify his position as a kingmaker rather than a contender. Tomashkar kuda panguva ino vanhu vachiti aiwa mukomana uyu hatichamutembi unoda kutanguna kuramba panguva ino, but after some time, after some months or just a few years munozomuona aiwa akutokambeina akutorala for presidency. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu muzwa mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.